start with the third question. Here you have, in the given figure, AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, where AB, CD and EF are parallel to each other. Given that AB equals to 7.5 centimeters, DC equal to y centimeters, EF equals to 4.5 centimeters, and BC equal to x centimeters. Find the value of x and y. Here they asked to find the value of x and y. So first, to find the value of x and y, first let's solve the given problem. Like, now consider this triangle ABE. Okay, consider triangle ABE. So let us draw the triangle AB over here. A B E. Okay. Now here, if you consider this triangle ABE, now CD. Now just look into it. CD is parallel to AB, right? CD is parallel to AB, where CD equals to y centimeters. CD equals to y centimeters, and AB is equals 7.5 centimeters. Right? The value is given here. What? AB equals to 7.5 centimeters, BC equals to x. So here they asked to find the values of x and y. So we need to find the value of BC and DC. Now consider triangle ABE. So if you look into this triangle ABE, here in this given figure, you can look into two triangles over here, where ABE will be the first triangle and CDE will be the second triangle. So now, here triangle ABE and triangle CDE. By the given question, we know that given what? Let me write down like given. Okay. Given that AB parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, right? So here given what AB is parallel to CD, so by the given question I can say that ABE so here I can say that triangle AB is similar to CDE, because here given what? CD is parallel to AB, right? By Thales theorem, I can say that where triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE, because in the given question, what have they given? CD is parallel to AB, right? So thus I can say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Now here, I have proved what triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Then the corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio. So let's draw the two triangles aside. Like, let this be the first triangle. Okay, triangle number 1. Let this be the first triangle, and let this be the second one. So here you have where CDE and ABE, 7.5 centimeters, y centimeters. Now here AB is parallel to triangle AB is parallel to triangle CDE. Thus, as I can take like CD by AB equals to DE by BE. Okay, as I can say that where AB and CD. So if I here I proved that two triangles are similar, I can say that then their corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are divided in the same ratios. Thus I can say that AB equals to CD, BE equals to DE, and A equals to CE. So here I have taken only two sides, where CD by AB equals to DE by BE. Now here, by this CD, let CD value here you have what? Y. Let CD be Y by AB value 7.5 equals to DE value. We haven't any value for DE and BE. Let DE and BE be DE by BE. Now add -1 on the both sides. Let just add -1 on the both sides, like y by 7.5 minus 1 equals to DE by BE minus 1. Okay, just add -1 on the both sides. So now by adding -1, we so as we take LCM to the given quotients, I can say like where 7.5 into 1 gives 7.5 minus 7.5 into y gives 7.5 equals to, okay, 7.5 into 1 and 1 into y gives y equals to, so if I take like this becomes what? BE. Let BE be BE. This becomes like BE. Okay. So by taking LCM, this becomes like BE minus DE by BE. Now here BE minus DE. Now just consider this figure. So if you look into this figure, you have BE minus DE given. So here you have BE. So BE minus DE. So BE minus DE gives what? BD. So here let me write down like 7.5 minus 1 minus y. 7.5 minus y by 7.5 equals to BE minus DE gives what? BD by BE. So let this be equation number 1 or first equation. So we got first equation by triangle ABD. So here, okay, now just keep equation 1 aside. So we will be using this equation 1 later. So here now, just let's write down equation number 1 over here, where equation number 1 is 7.5y minus y by 7.5 equals to BD or DB. Let me write like BD by BE. Let this be equation number 1 or first equation. Now here, now in this given figure, now consider triangle BEF. Now in triangle BEF, given what? Where CD is parallel to EF, triangle BEF. So if you consider this triangle BEF, let me write down like triangle BEF, where B over here, B, E, F, C. Okay. Now C equals to Y and BC. BC equals to what? X centimeters. And CF equals to 3 centimeters. FE or EF equals to 4.5 centimeters. And BD and DE hasn't any value. Let this stay like this. So now here you have so let's draw the given triangle. So if you observe this figure, you can look into two triangles where BEF will be the first triangle and BDC or BCD will be the second triangle. So here I can say that triangle BEF is similar to triangle BDC. Triangle BF is similar to triangle BDC by given what? Here by Thales theorem. By Thales theorem or BBT theorem, I can say that triangle BEF is similar to triangle BDC. So here, how can I say these both are similar? Because CD is parallel to EF. So let me write down like where let this triangle be. Let me write down over here like let this triangle be BEF BDC. B, E, F and B, D, C. So if I take values, if I write values for this, I get like BE equals to, we haven't any values, let BE be BF. So this is like 4.5 centimeters. BF equals to 3 plus X, like 3 plus X centimeters. Next, BD, let we haven't any value for BD. Next, here you have BC, let BC be X. BC be X centimeters. Now here you have by Thayer's theorem, I have proved what BEF is similar to BDC. So when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are divided in the equal ratios. Thus EF by CD equal to BE by BD and BF by BC. So I can select CD or DC. CD by EF equals to CD by BF equals to BE by BD by BE equals to BF or BC. BC by BF. Okay, I have taken like this where the corresponding sides are equal. Now, okay, so let's write the values for the given side. So now, if we consider values like where CD equals to X centimeters by EF 4.5 equals to BD we haven't any values for BD and BE. Let BD and BE be like this. And now BC X by BC X. CD we haven't any value for CD. Let's CD be CD. CD value. Sorry. CD value y, guys. CD value y. Okay, y centimeters. So CD value y centimeters, y by 4.5 equals to BD by B equals to X and BF value. So BF. So look into this figure where BF equals, so this is BF, where BF equals to BC plus CF. Right? BF equals to BC plus CF. So BC equals to X centimeters, X plus CF equals to 3 centimeters. Let it be like this. Now here we can rewrite this equation like let me rewrite this equation. So just carry this BD by BE to this side. So where let ratios or values be at a particular positions, like BD by BE equals to y by 4.5 equals to X by X plus 3. Done. So now let this be what, equation number 2 or second equation. Okay, let this be equation number 2. So done with the first equation, we got first equation by triangle ABE and the second equation we got by using BEF. So we have done with two equations. Now let's find the values for X and Y. To find the value for Y, firstly I need to find the value for Y. To find the value for Y, okay, let's write down the second equation over here, where the second equation is BD by BE equals to Y by 4.5 equals to X by X plus 3. Equation number 2 or second equation. Okay, so this is the second equation. Now here first equation, second, okay, from 1 and 2 equations, I need to find the value of Y. So just take the Y values where in this given equation, here you have X by X plus 2. So okay, BD by b, bd by b became common. So don't consider this, but here I need to find the value of y. To find the value of y, just take the equations with values of y. So now here consider from first equation, let's take 7.5 minus y by 7.5, like 7.5 minus y by 7.5, and from second equation let's take y by 4.5. Now here now by cross multiplication on both sides, so cross multiplication, I can take like 7.5 minus y, 7.5y equals to 7.5 minus y into 4.5, right? Into 4.5. So here if you multiply with 7.5 minus 4.5 into 7.5 and 4.5 into minus 5, right? So let this 7.5 be 7.5, like 7.5y equals to 7.5 into 4.5 and minus 7.5 into minus y gives minus 4.5y. Done. Let me write down over here. Let me write down next step over here. Like this becomes what? Now here I have minus 4.5y. So let's make y by values equal. So let's transpose this minus 4.5y to the other side. So if we transpose minus into other side, this becomes plus. So I can say that 7.5y plus 4.5y equals to 7.5 into 4.5. 7.5 plus 4.5y, 7.5 plus 4.5 gives 12. 12y. Okay. 7.5 plus 4.5. Now here, okay, let me write down like 7.5y plus 4.5y. Now let's go for the next step, and here let's write down 7.5 plus 4.5y gives 12y equals to 7.5 into 4.5 gives 33.75, right? I need to find the value of y, so just transpose this 12 to the other side. So here 12 is getting multiplied, transpose to the other side, turns into division. This becomes what? Y equals to 33.75 by 12. And this becomes like 2.81. So it's like 2.8125. So you can say like I got the y value where y equals to 2.8125. Okay, I got the y value where y equals 2.8125. So they asked what to find the x value and y value. I got the y value. So now I need to find the x value. So to find the x value, okay, to find the x value, now here from equation 2. Okay, now just consider equation number 2. So from the second equation, from equation number 2 or second equation. So just take like y by 4.5 equals to x by x plus 3. So just consider second equation, no need to consider first equation. As done with first equation, we got the value y equals to 2.8, and now here just go for the second equation. So here y by 4.5 equals to x by x plus 3 by cross multiplication. I can say that 4.5x equals to x into, so 4.5x and y value, okay, let me write down like, now before cross multiplication where we got y value where y equals to 125. So here y value is 2.8. I can take like 2.8 by 4.5. Okay, y value is 2.8. So I have replaced y value over here. So by 4.5 equals to x by x plus 3. By cross multiplication, I can say that 4.5x equals to 2.8 into 8 plus 3. Okay. Now 2.8 into x and 2.8 into 3. Now here 2.8 into x and 2.8 into 3. This becomes what? 4.5x equals to 2.8 into x gives 2.8x. 2.8x plus 2.8 into 3 gives 8.4. Now here just transpose this 2.8x to the other side. 2.8x to the other side. This becomes what? Here plus 2.8x, right? So if I transpose this to the other side, this becomes minus. So I can write like 4.5x minus 2.8x. Where 8 minus 5 gives 3 here. So this becomes what? 8 minus 5 gives 3, 3 and 1.7. 1.7x equals to 8.4. Now here, after this I need to find the value of x. So just transpose this 1.7 to the other side. This becomes what? X equals to 8.4 by 1.7. Now by cross I will get like, so 8.4 and 1.7. So this becomes 5, where 8.4 divided by 1.7 gives 5. So I can say like x equals, where x value I got is 5. X value I got what? 5. So I can say that x value is 5. So let me write down like BC value and CD value. They asked for BC and CD, where BC equal to x, where I got x value as 5, where x equals to 5, and y value, where y equals to 2.8. So let's conclude this, that like, let's make a conclusion like, therefore the value of x equals to 5 and y equals to 2.8. Okay, we can either write 2.8 or 1, 2. Thank you.